Alright, welcome back. Second episode. So today we are going to be cutting back the timber on the floor. There's a bit of steel under there, so that's where we're going to be welding up our studs. There's a bit of stuff on the back of the bus, just some stuff that I couldn't really get to while the body was on, so we're going to cut off that and prep all that. Once that's all prepped and ready to rock, I've got all the steel's come in, and so we're going to start cutting all of that and getting our first floor frame all ready to go. And then by the end of this episode, we're going to have the entire bottom frame ready for the crane to come back and throw that second story on. Let's go. We've got Kai, apprentice Kai in today. What are we doing, brother?
Chiseling some plywood.
Alright, well day. I've got Case here. He said to me on the phone he's pretty much the Gandhi Jesus of
Absolute 100% confidence, no skill.
Kai's got the oven mitt on, but his fingers smell like fish. It's weird. Numbers! 4!
8 years warranty. I've never warmed my car up since.
Alright, so what's been happening this morning, Michael?
All of our CAD drawings have finally come in. Very high-end CAD, cardboard assisted designs. But we have literally built the entire bus off of this one drawing I did with the text. Alright, so from our drawings, we've gone very, very tight to the plans that we were provided. But these are the wheels. That is where Casey's standing, that's the floor. Then that hits the blue thing. And the thing that goes on top is the whole bus. So we've stuck pretty much to it by the mill. It's all to scale, and it should be fine. So fingers crossed.
So Casey, what do you reckon about this, mate?
Yeah, it's something. Nah, it should be sick. It'll just be, pretty exciting to see the roof go on it in like 2 days. But
So where's the roof and where is it going to go?
so that's the roof,
There's not one part of it.
and we're gonna put it up there in the next.
So we can't move it at all.
I wouldn't think so.
Oh, we'll give it a go, but I can't guarantee I'm going to get it there.
No, that's fine. We're about to go up. It was a bit sketchy last time. We did a bit of a wheelie, but that was my fault. So should be fine. Everything's fine. No problems at all. One, two, three, four, five. We had a little bit of a last time, but now not so much. Should be good. Should be good. Should be good. It's so tense. It's so tense. How many? 10? It's not far off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, we're just trying to get it nice and level at the moment because every time we pick it up, it's just bowing up one side, so we need to be dead level when it comes up. So we'll take our time, we'll figure it out. It'll be good. Whoa, 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 whoa. You happy with that? Yeah. Did you want to go a couple more links out of that front one? Just while I'm up there? Maybe just another 4 and then I'll ratchet it up? Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I'll grab the boys and we'll quickly ratchet it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. That's pretty good. It's a bit spicy. Here we go.
Less lean than you had last time.
This is a bit better. This is last time we were doing a little bit of an air wheelie. All good, rock on. We're on a little tilt, but we're good. Pretty good for one weekend. One weekend on the tools and on the beers, and we're up and ready to go. We're going to lift it up and we're just going to put a bolt through it and then that should be enough.
Just one?
Just one will be fine, one's enough. We might do another ones later, but we'll see. If we get time. Hold on, Mitch. Can you just go up a little bit above the shed?
I think the gnarliest part is going to be mounting it once it's up there. So getting it up there is going to be the first step, and then the second part is going to be we're going to have to secure it so it stays up there.
Can you go around a bit, Kai, again? Let's get that stable. You're clear. Up a little bit. Yep, all good. You got that? All good. Can you go that way a little bit? You're about 1.5 meters off, I reckon. That clearance looks okay.
Maybe get him to come up with some energy pumps in just in case it drops down.
We're on, boys. We can taste it. We're literally, like, once you do one more turn, this will be it. We're pretty much there. We're pretty much there.
This is going to, as I go down, it's going to get longer too.
Oh, great, great. I reckon you'd be able to get it from there, but if you do one more shimmy, I feel like it'll be nice and easy. But we had it this height coming off anyway to get up and over the front. So I want to say this is where she's never been before, but she's been here before. Oh, he's doing a ripper job though. It has stayed dead level.
You focus on your dog training.
It's Fluffy. Bit of a wild beast.
I feel like he just needs to extend and down.
Yeah.
You want him to go up?
Yeah, I want him to go up.
He's about to touch.
Up.
Just need to go up a bit more. You're just about to hit the lip on the other side. If you go up and then tilt the boom down, we'll get over. If that's, I don't know what I'm doing driving the crane though. That's gonna get it, Mitch.
Yeah, it's over. Yep, yeah.
Now I want to be, all right.
Yeah,
stay.
you're over. Yep.
All right, hold on, stop there for a sec. I want you to stay hard that way against it. So then I have, how are we looking lining up?
It's actually looking pretty good.
We've got to go this way just a tad. Is that possible?
So what about this here? You reckon that'll just pull in with the bowl?
Yeah, okay, so the thing is it's sitting on the frame, but the bus when it's being cut, the whole thing's flared out. because it's just made out of aluminium and just like freezer paneling. So what we're going to have to do is almost clamp it back in. So we're better being wide than too short, because there's no way we could have really framed it out earlier unless we built a hell frame to the center of it to push it out. So once this gets on, we're going to have to run bolts through it and like clamp the whole thing to the frame. But it's on. It's on. It's a double-story bus. Unofficially, the world's biggest motorhome. Square footage. Unofficial.
Looks pretty on to me.
Dogs are on.
If you do that, you got to come up. You'll have to.
This far side here. Put one at the front of each.
Well, isn't this side all perfect?
This side's all perfect.
Well, let's bolt that first.
Put it
Mitch, is that the weight off that? Has it come down? Can we just? Did you guys widen the holes for the hole saw? Which one? All right. We're gonna need to put a new drill bit in that, please.
This is a make or break moment. If Michael doesn't get this whole end, this whole thing could potentially collapse once the crane comes off. Well, probably not, but anyway, he's doing a good job.
Didn't know you drilled so hard, man.
Your boy drills.
Put these ratchets around here, you know? It's all about Michael, but it's also about how safe I'm feeling.
Well, you got to feel safe. Safety third.
Oh, always. Straps in.
We'll know when the crane comes down. If this is still up, then we're going.
Woohoo! We rocking? Whoa. Is there anything moving? Is it just everything moving together?
Everything is moving together. Probably about maybe time for some cross braces down there.
Yeah, I think that's the next plan.
Cool. You. Thank you so much. The roof is up. We are 6 meters high. Yeah, big weekend, but we got it done. So tune in next week. We're going to start working on the bodywork, glazing, everything like that. So thanks heaps for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like. See you next week. Vlog. Yeah.